How to change your country on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon shopping. This is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go down here, click on those three lines as you can see, and now it will take you to this page. Click on the settings option and click on the first one, country and language, and it will take you directly to this page. Now you can click here and choose any country you want from these. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.